Hello, good morning. My name is Omhari Shinde, and today we are discuss about the multi-threading in Java. What is thread and what is need of thread in Java? Multi-threading is a multi-threading means we can perform the multiple tasks simultaneously. Multi-processing and multi-threading is means multitasking, means you can perform one different tasks simultaneously, means multi-threading. Thread, what is thread? Thread is a lightweight process, or thread is a small part of program uh, program that execute that thread is execute simultaneously, uh, simultaneously different threads. Thread is a lightweight process. Mm, you can, every Java program in one by default one thread, and this thread is execute the main method, uh, main method, start to end execution. You can create your own thread in Java. It is possible. You can create your own thread by using thread class and renewable interface. Two ways to create your own thread. When we create your when we create uh, using thread class, then you require to extend the thread class. You can create a class with class name and extend the thread class, we, and create a run method in this class. When we create the instance of thread class and uh, create an instance of thread class and call the run method using start method. When we create the runnable interface, when we implement the runnable interface using implements keyword, uh, when we use the runnable interface in only one method, this is run method. Run method, when we use the runnable interface, you require when we create the run when we when we create the class object, then you require the create the thread thread instance, and you can call the thread, because runnable interface in only one method, this is the run method. And when we call the run method, you require start method, and start method is only thread class, not in runnable interface. Then you require thread class object. This is two ways to uh, create your own thread, by extending thread class and by using runnable interface. Which is better to programmer? uh, Runnable interface is better uh, for creating the thread, because when we extend the thread class, you cannot extend another class. This is the disadvantage, because Java does not support multiple inheritance. You can extend only one class. Mm, that's why runnable interface is a best, because you can implement the runnable interface, then you can extend the extend you can extend the another class. you, you can extend the another class. You can create you can create one or multiple threads in your program, and this thread you can uh, start the using start method, and this start method called the run method. Means mainly use of thread is to increase the performance of your program. Means you can uh, start the multiple methods in simultaneously to increase the performance of your program, and run the your program is very fastly. This is the advantages of multi-threading. Now start the diagram of thread. First is a state in diagram: new, runnable, running, block, and terminated. This is a 5 state in multi-threading. First is a new. New state in your thread is a created in born state. New. Next one is runnable. When we create the instance of thread class, then you require to start method to start this thread. Means runnable in start this thread. In next one is the running. Your thread is go to the run method and start the running. When fourth is blocked. Sometimes is errors is occur in thread class, then this method is blocked or suspended. Last one is terminated. Run method is completely executed, then this thread is terminated. You can execute your thread class, then multiple methods to the provide to execute your thread, like a start method, run method, suspended, wait, sleep. Different types of method provides in provide the multi-threading. First one is the run method. You can write your code in run method to execute the thread class to using start method. Start method used to call the run method. Wait method. You can wait method used to wait the thread class. And sleep method you can pause the specific time for the thread by using sleep method. You can pass the integer value in milliseconds, 1000 to thousands to wait this spread in thread is sleep, and then activated after this after. Next one is you can set your priorities to the thread. Which method is execute the fast, or which method is execute slow, using priority. There are 3 priorities in thread. First normal priority, highest priority, and lowest priority. Lowest priority is the one. Normal priority is 5, and highest priority is 10. By default is a normal priority to the thread is 5. You can you can set the thread name by using set name thread method. Method. You can get the thread name using get method. Get thread name. Provide two different methods to perform the tasks with thread. Get name, set priority, get priority. get priority. Multi-threading is a concept to only one advantage is to achieve the increase the performance of your program. Main advantages of multi-threading. Multi-threading. You can create your own thread by using thread class and runnable interface. Provides different methods to execute run method, and is a and last one is a synchronization in thread class. Synchronization, when we use the synchronized keyword with thread class, then only one thread execute at a time in this method. In very important code write you can write in this method and write a synchronized keyword with this method. That time only one thread execute at a time. one thread is execution complete, then another thread is started. Thank you.